Welcome to Cozy English Corner. Today, we are doing a deep dive into the real estate market. We will learn the vocabulary you need to successfully rent an apartment or a house.
This is very practical. Searching for a place to live involves looking at many different advertisements, and the words are often confusing.
Let us start with the people involved. The person who owns the property is the landlord. The person who pays to live there is the tenant.
So I am the tenant and I pay money to the landlord every month. What is that payment called?
That monthly payment is your rent. Before you move in, you and the landlord must sign a legal document called a lease. The lease states all the rules, the cost of the rent, and how long you will live there.
Signing a lease is a serious commitment. Most leases require me to pay a large amount of money before I even get the keys.
That is correct. That initial payment is called a security deposit. The landlord holds this money to protect themselves. If you break a window or damage the floors, they use the security deposit to pay for the repairs.
What happens if I move out and the apartment is perfectly clean and completely undamaged?
If the property is in perfect condition, the landlord must refund your security deposit in full.
That is a great motivation to keep the apartment clean. What about the extra monthly costs like electricity and water?
Those extra services are called utilities. Sometimes, water and trash collection are included in the rent, but usually, the tenant is responsible for setting up their own accounts for electricity and internet utilities.
I understand. I must budget for rent, utilities, and the initial security deposit. What happens if the refrigerator stops working or a pipe starts leaking water?
You should contact your landlord and request maintenance. It is the landlord's legal responsibility to fix broken appliances and plumbing issues at their own expense.
I request maintenance and the landlord sends a repair person to fix the leak. That sounds like a fair arrangement.
It is a standard rental agreement. You now know the difference between landlords and tenants, leases, security deposits, utilities, and maintenance.
I am ready to sign a lease and move into my new apartment with complete confidence. Thank you.